Hey everyone, my name is Arun, and today in this video, I'm discussing the janitorial quotation system price calculator in Excel that I've created using advanced Excel formulas and functions. So here in this video, this is a template for janitorial quotation system where we have janitorial quotes import inputs column. Here I have created, and then this is for day shift from column A till B. So this is taking the cost for new customers. So there is some input entries and there are some formulas which will calculate this cost directly. So here we have this column for day shift and this column for night shift. And another we have created a security template as well. So on the below of it, we have a total janitorial invoice for both of the shift, which is night shift and day shift. And there are some differences between both of them because for day shift, the quotation cost for direct cost is something different because we have different for night shift. Maybe we have it depends upon their rates and the number of employees and customers. So here and as well as the salaries. So this blue columns are they are just data entry columns, and the below one are the automatic calculation columns. Sorry, rows. So we need to just provide the direct monthly payroll for new customer here, and then monthly fixed overhead fixed for janitorial, this row. Then we have variable expenses for janitorial here, we can mention here, and then the total monthly sales for the janitorial for day shift. Then this one is the target of profit margin as percentage of revenue. We can put the percentage over here, and then we have facility type. So currently we are just only following one type of facility, which is office buildings. And here input hours. So it depends. Currently I have just written 400, and then this one is the automatically calculations. So overhead of sales, there is a formula, and this one is a percentage. So this one is automatically taking this one overhead, and variable percentage of sales. This is also an automatic formula. Then allocated overhead for job. This is automatically gets captured. So all these costs are automatically gets generated and calculated once we have our inputs ready, and we have just filled all these things here. So finally, if the price per hour is 68, which is if hours are greater than or equals to zero, greater than zero, and it is also calculation. It's using automatic Excel formulas from the above cells. So this template creates the day shift for janitorial quotation system, and then this one is for our night shift quotation inputs, where similarly we have the direct cost for new customers, then direct monthly payroll for new customer. Everything is similar to for what which we have in the day shift, but we can just put the other figures for night shift as well if we have. And as similarly, we have the percentage for target profit margin and similar calculations. And here, instead of input hours, we are just providing the square feet, if built per square feet. So here, we have put the square foot area, and in the day shift, we have just provided the hours. So it's based on the hours, this calculation, and this is based on the square feet calculation. So price per square feet, which is 7.75, and price per hour is 68. So day shift tries to target per hour, and price per square feet targets square feet price. And then we have the total invoice for janitorial, which is 8,002,715, which is the sum of both of the sales, this one and this one. Now this third template, which is security. So I just put all of them in one sheet because there was some customer, my client, who needs all the three parts of this template in one sheet because it was an easy to deal with. So here, this is for security quotation inputs, and it is similar to what we have in the night shift, because here, sorry, day shift, because here also we have input hours per if billed per hour, and then the facility type. It is similar to what we have done in the day shift. Instead of we just maintain the price, I mean the template is for only we just put for security purposes, and there is a separate invoice amount for that one we have raised. Now here we have a summary as well. We have created a summary sheet where quotation summary for day shift and night shift for janitorial, and then this one is for security quote summary. And basically this is on automatic, because whatever we fill over here after calculations, these figures will automatically gets updated. So we don't want to do any manual entry here. It's automatically gets updated. Then we have a day shift sheet where we have the items, then the value, and then the cost per employee. So this is manual, and this column is taking the multiplication from E2 and F2 columns, which is cost per employee and how many employees. So final cost will be this one. And then this one is for startup. Final cost again similar. And there, which we have a total cost. And then this one is similarly for the night shift. And this one is for the security. So these are the item per cost for employees for each and every sheet for day, night, and security. Now this one is the final template, and all these figures, which is from row number 15, they are automatically gets updated. Only we just need to fill it till this portion. So this is all what we have in the janitorial quotation system for customer price calculator. So this is if you need this Excel file or need some customizations, you can reach me out over my WhatsApp details and my email address. I will be sharing you a customized version beyond our discussion according to your requirements. Maybe if you have something different to share with me, you can just, you're most welcome for that one as well. And if you need some tweakings from this template as well, I can do that as well. So I hope you like this video, and do subscribe me for my future videos. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Hit me a button, and thanks. And we will meet talk soon. Thank you and have a great day. Take care. Bye.